Observe my case, man. Forget about all the people. Observe my case. 16 years before I left IT. Almost 6 years before I left teaching. But still, I came back. And I'm taking AI sessions, most trending technology today. No real-time experience. No teaching experience in the last 6 years. Complete. Am I taking the sessions or not? Not for the sake of money. Remember that. If I'm learning, if I'm not learning, I may fall behind. I may fall behind the people. When compared with the remaining, I may fall behind. I should explore AI. Just with that intention, I started. How many things we are learning every day? How many things? The people who are attending, right? We learn multiple things. Yesterday, day before yesterday, how beautiful concepts we discussed. Almost around 40 sessions we discussed only about the cloud. There are a number of people are there who didn't see interface of cloud at least. Then what happened is, if I'm involving in any area, in any business area, am I going to perform well or not? Because my ability, already I learned, I explored those things. The knowledge I'm going to use somewhere, man. Yesterday I told I invested somewhere 10 lakhs. Because of this learning ability, right? I'm in a position to, I'm exploring those things, I'm utilizing that. So learning should be part of your day. At least 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes. Try to learn some new thing. Try to improve your skill. Then automatically your salary, your income, all the things by default will be followed. Remember carefully, to earn more, first you should become more valuable. That thing must be required. Okay? First improve yourself, then income will improve automatically. Okay? Do not ask for more money. First you should become more valuable. That thing must be required. Your income grows once your ability grows. If your ability grows, automatically your income grows, man. Your value grows when your skill grows. If your skill is going to grow, automatically your value will grow. You will become more worthy. Your earning capability is going to be more. That's why compulsory you people should learn something, should improve yourself. That thing must be required. The best investment on the earth is investment in yourself. If you started your career as a sweeper, think about what is the next level. If you are already doing software job, think about where I will earn more money. Okay, what skill can makes me to earn more? Every time you require to ask this question and try to master in that skill. It should be a continuous process.